Hello everybody, it's your boy BennyXD, and on this episode of Today We Dine, we're cooking a crockpot meal. Not just any crockpot meal, we're cooking my grandma's famous beef stroganoff. Now let's get this show on the road! So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of all the ingredients you're going to be needing for this recipe. You're going to use a little bit over a pound of beef stew meat, a can of both cream of mushroom soup and cream of onion soup, wide egg noodles, sour cream, and lastly salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get cooking. So to cook this meal, we're using a crock pot. Crock pot's a staple in every household nowadays, so if you don't have one, I highly recommend picking one up. For under 25 bucks at Walmart, they're a great lifesaver, especially when you want to come home to a nice warm meal after a long day of work. First, you're going to turn on the crock pot and then turn it on to the high setting. Up next, we're going to season our boiling water. And now we're going to add our noodles. Don't forget to stir your noodles. The long-awaited 3 hours is finally over. Now let's go add some sour cream and see how it tastes. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. Let's find out if Grandma's going to be proud of us or not. Freaking delicious. The stroganoff is amazing. Beef is super tender. Noodles just add a little bit extra nice fluffiness to it. It's a really great meal, guys, and it's super easy to cook. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Today We Dine. Be sure to check out one of my other videos right over here if you really did enjoy it. See you guys next week.